Oh, Lord, my forehead is really, really big. Look how pretty. He told me throw it back. A bow. Oh shit, okay, here. He told me throw it back. A bow. I got my hair clip. This is the only clip I had. So I made it. This shirt is on bad purpose. Let's get to the back in the video. Period. Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So today's vlog is basically I get ready for me for college. So we go back to college on Sunday and it's Thursday today. So I'm basically just gonna have multiple parts in this video. The parts are basically just gonna be like different days, I guess you could say. Just me getting ready for college. So I leave for college on Sunday, it's Thursday. I actually already got some things done, so I'll add those clips after this clip. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. It's probably gonna be all over the place, but yeah. Oh, Lord, my forehead is really, really big. Hey y'all, I'm back. So it's actually right on time when I was gonna leave. It's 4:05. I'm gonna leave now. Oh, brat, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, it's dark already, y'all. But I think it's 5:10 right now. I'm outside America's bed. But yeah, I don't want to go in like, I'm gonna go in at like 5:15 because my appointment's at 5:30. I'm gonna record a little bit of like the glass that I try on. Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my first love when I went. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I just got out the eye doctor. It took like an hour. But yeah, I got two new pairs of glasses. I got a blue pair and then I got like a black pair and then the inside has like white lining. It was kind of cute. So your flowers and some champagne showers, all the shrimp and lobster towers. Hey guys, so I don't know what part of the video this is gonna be, but right now I'm about to go get some things for my cat. Hey y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm getting. I just realized the litter is a little bit more expensive in this pet store than it usually is in others. Alright. We're getting this one and it's instant action odor control. I'm gonna get him some of these. This one's on sale. All of these. This is chicken. This one has duck in it. Ew. These. Hey y'all, now I'm in PetSmart. So they have a lot more stuff at PetSmart than Pet Supplies Plus. But look y'all, at this treat aisle. Like dang. So these are the two so far that I got. Lobster mac and cheese. Ooh. I'm gonna get him one of these. Cat milk, he loves milk. So I like to get these for my cat because I can open it and then close it. Get this one, weight and hairball care. What is this? Oh, salmon. I'm gonna get him the salmon one. I'm gonna look at the toys now, even though he doesn't need any toys. This is cute. I feel like my mom would say that's just one extra thing that he doesn't need. But it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. I got a package and I wanted to show her out. Samaria Glams. I'll put it on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce that right. She sent me some stuff. So for one, she sent me an M keychain. This is her business card. She sent me a lip which is good because I didn't want my lips red, but it my lips like a little darker pink. So this is a Chanel bonnet, but it's really cute. Inside it's just black. Then she sent me this little thing. Came with some lashes, another lip gloss, and this one is like pink. Came with a scrunchie, a brush for eyelashes, and then also an eyelash applicator. Lastly, it came with this necklace, and it's really cute. That's what it looks like. It's really cute, I like it. So yeah, that's what she sent me. I guess let her know if you guys order something from her that it came from me.
You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours.
Hey y'all, so it is now Friday the 14th. It's 10 o'clock. I have so much things to do today, so I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do. So right now, I'm about to be headed to the gym, to LA Fitness. I'm not working out. I'm canceling my membership. I don't have time to go to the gym. And I'm just paying every single month at this gym. And it's just like, why am I paying for this gym that I don't even use? After the gym, I'm gonna get my hair done. That's when my hair looks like this. Look at this, y'all. It looks a mess. I'm gonna hang out with my sister for a little bit, or probably get food somewhere. And yeah. And then after that, I'm gonna make my way back home. I'm probably gonna see my grandparents, spend a little time with them. So I'm in a car wash. I made it to a car wash, y'all. Look how pretty. My car is so dirty, the outside and the inside. Like, so dirty.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my feet, baby, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my fountain.
Ew. Okay, y'all, clean out my car and I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, it's clean. You can't see like the full, but it's clean. Hey y'all, I'm back and I'm out the salon. So this is my hair. It's so pretty, y'all. I really want to dye my hair back black because, babe, what is this? It's been a year since I dyed my hair, and this is how much my hair grew, y'all. So what is this on my head? I was in there for about like an hour and a half, 2 hours. But I love it. It's so cute. She did cut my hair. She cut like 2 inches off my hair because she was like, Mira, your hair needs a cut. She didn't even say trim. She was like, your hair needs a cut. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it, y'all. So yeah, it's been like 2 years since I last had my hair straightened.
You used to have to make the money stretch like yoga. I told you once I get rich, it's over.
So now I'm about to go on my way to, we're going to Olive Garden. Me and my sister are going to meet up at Olive Garden to get, I guess, a late lunch because it's 2 o'clock. So, yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. Making sure my hair looks good still. Hey guys. So it's already 9 o'clock and I barely vlogged today. I'm like horrible when it comes to vlogging, y'all. I try. Yeah, I'm about to start packing. So the first thing I want to do though is I have to put these clothes. My cat is like very excited.
What in the world?
Anyway, so I have to do laundry because I have quite a bit of laundry to do. Good job. Well, let me do that real quick. Okay, y'all, so I just finished my laundry. Oh, my hair clip. This is the only clip I had. So, yeah. Anyway, so I just put this stuff in the laundry. Now I'm gonna actually pack. So let me show y'all 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to try to put the rest of the stuff in these bins. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bin, which has my shoes in it, outside to my car today, or tonight. And then, ignore my room, y'all. I gotta clean my room, obviously, before I leave. But this stuff, I'm gonna throw into a bag. I'm also gonna try to take as much as I can out of here that I can take with me, so yeah.
Sit me up on the counter. Instantly it's thunder showers. Storming for a couple hours.
Hey guys, it's the next day. Look at my hair, y'all. It's already like poofy. It's literally been a day. So I just got off work. Last day of work. But I want to show you what I got from Target though. So before I left, I got some hair clips for my hair because I was like, my hair is not gonna last more than a week. I'm gonna get some clips so that when it gets poofy, I can clip it up or whatever. This clip is a little bigger, and it's just a gray and white clip. And then I also got some scrunchies, and these scrunchies have bows on them. I thought that was cute. I'm gonna go throw these two things in my car and my trunk. So I came back up from putting the rest of the stuff in the car, but I'm gonna put this on the floor. I only have a little bit left of this, but it's carpet odor eliminator since I have a cat, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit in the carpets for a little bit, a couple minutes, but I'm about to make my bed since I won't be sleeping in my bed anymore. And then all these drawers are cleaned out. I'm leaving this in here because I don't need this big behind thing of gel. And then this is what my bathroom's looking like, y'all. I did clean it, kind of, but yeah, I like wiped down the mirror, the sink, toilet, all that stuff. Okay, so I guess since the bathroom is clean already, I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I am basically done, pretty much done. 6:33, so I still have a lot of time, but this is my room. Looks like a lot cleaner. Bed is made. Those two things I'm bringing down. That bag I'm gonna put my ring light in and bring it down. Okay y'all, but yeah, so that's basically all I have to do today. Like, I feel like that's it. I just gotta bring the rest of the stuff to my car, and that's it. I have stuff in the dishwasher right now, but I'll leave that stuff in there. Like, I'm not taking that stuff out when it's done. There's nothing in the dryer of mine. I did Gerald's litter box. I gotta feed Gerald before I leave. Okay, so my cat has this little, we got him this little timer ball thing because we're never home. It's so bad. But yeah, that's basically we put his food in. So I have to time his food so that he has food for the morning. Gerald. But yeah, I'll show you what I gave him. So I gave him this crab flavored treat, freeze-dried salmon, and I'm about to give him some broth, and that's gonna be his treat for later on. Okay y'all, so I'm basically ready to go now. I have everything packed in my car, so that's it y'all. I'm leaving my house. I'll be here in spring. Yeah, I'll be back in spring, probably for spring break. Hey y'all, I never thought I'd ever come on here with the bonnet on, at least to start my video, but I am today. So I am moving into college today. So it's 9:45 in the morning and I want to leave by 10:30. So I'm about to go ahead and get ready. But I'm about to go ahead and go wash my face, brush my teeth, take my retainers out, comb my hair out. My bonnet fell off last night in the middle of my sleep and I woke up, literally woke up somehow to my bonnet falling off. Hey guys, I'm back. So I didn't even finish walking in the house, but I just said bye to my dad and my stepmom and stuff. Okay y'all, so I am getting gas right now. It says I'm gonna be there 4:30. So hey guys, I am back and I'm actually almost at campus. I just focused on driving so I don't record too much, but I stopped once to get some Moe's. I didn't get gas yet. I was gonna stop and get gas too, but then I realized I need to get to school first. So by the time I get to school, I'll still have 20 miles of gas left. So I'm gonna just get gas when I get to school. I have to get COVID tested before I can even move in, and I didn't get COVID tested yet. So they have rapid tests on campus. So I'm gonna do that. It started pouring, I guess, like halfway through my drive. Well, not pouring, but it started raining halfway through my drive, and then it didn't start pouring until I got into Norfolk, Virginia. Hey y'all, I'm back and I made it to campus. It's literally pouring and I had to walking outside in the rain, and I had to get gas. Tested negative. Yay. Now I can go back in and get the wristband thing. But they gave us this little kit. Anyways, it comes with some masks, a black one, a gray one, and a blue one. I guess they say our school name on them. Some hand sanitizer and some disinfectant wipes, or just wipes. Yeah, disinfectant wipes. And I guess a thermometer. Hey y'all, so I made it. the heck? This shirt is on backwards. So I made this my room finally. I got one of those bins, rolly bins. I was able to bring my stuff in. Yeah, let me show my room. I put this on my bed already. But yeah, I don't have a roommate. I think I said that already. I don't know. But I'm gonna push the beds together later. So yeah, I gotta go to Walmart to get some things. Actually, to get a lot of things. So I made a whole list. Look at this list, y'all. It is a long list. I made a very long list of things I needed because I didn't want to get like doubles of things that I already had here. So I made a very long list. Hey guys, I'm back. So I never even finished the video yesterday, but I'm all moved in. I'm not even showing all my room because my room is a mess right now. So it's been a day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for more college vlogs. I'm excited to be back at college. And yeah, see y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, like the video. Bye y'all.